Hey, so I want to show you what is in this pack for the iPhone 16 Pro so that you can get a screen protector and it will go on your iPhone 16. So I want to give you an idea of what you'll get inside. I haven't opened this, so it'll be an exclusive unboxing. So here we go. Let's see what we got. Packaging, little tear strip, and then when you open this, it looks like you're probably going to get kind of the traditional thing. So what dropped out first was a SIM remover. And then it looks like you have a little piece that puts the case on, so you're going to use that to put the case on. And then we have 1, 2, 3 of the screen covers that will fit onto the 16 Pro, and I'll show you what that looks like. Here we go, so you can see the fit. All right, so there's the screen cover, and there is the 16 Pro, and it goes right over the front. It fits perfect. So there's that one. And so in this kit, you're going to get 3 of those. You're also going to get some wipes and some cleaners that you can use to clean the screen because you don't want to put it on and there's a dirty screen because then that smudge will be there. So you have some directions, you have, looks like 3 sets of the cleaners and the wipes, and then you have 3 of the dust absorbers so you can clean off your screen. And then you have the screen protector itself, or I'm sorry, the directions for it. So all in all, it's kind of the standard kit that you're going to get, but this one fits exclusively the iPhone 16 Pro. Pretty good value, especially because you're going to get 3 screen protectors in there. And so I think you got a complete kit here if you're looking to protect your phone. And there's the case, so you know what it looks like. All right, so let me show you how to install this screen protector onto your iPhone 16 Pro. The first thing you're going to need to do is remove any case that might already be on it. And on this one, it's very simple. It's just the back case. We'll set that off to the side, and we'll put that right there, okay? Now, the next thing you're going to want to do per the instructions, there are instructions, and they're right here if you want to use them. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the number 1. It's labeled number 1. It's the screen wipes. And it's just a general cleaning wipe to get off, you know, any smudges or things that might be on the phone. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to just give it a good wipe, and you want to be careful that you don't put your fingers on the phone itself because once you've cleaned it, you don't want to get it dirty. Okay. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this dust absorber and you're going to let that dry just a little bit. So we're going to try to remove any of the extra, I'm sorry, this is step 2. It's the dry. I thought I was missing something. So there we go. So we take the drying cloth, we dry that first layer, and you get it good. All right, set that trash off to the side. Then you're going to grab your dust absorber because there may be some little lint hairs on there, and this is just a sticky, and you're just going to pull off any dust that may be on there. Kind of like you're picking lint off, all right? Okay, so that goes there. Now that is all trash, and we set that off to the side. Now, next, included in this is a alignment box, and you just want to turn it so it fits on their property, and you're just going to set it right there. Okay, now that'll come off eventually, but we just want to put it on there for the first step. Next step is you're going to take your actual screen protector, and it says peel this off, please peel off this mask before application. So you're going to take that off, okay? All right, and then you want to keep the hard plastic, all right? And you want to line up the screen with the phone, okay? And drop it right into it, okay? Drop it right into it, all right? And then you can kind of see it's going. You want to move it back and forth, because you want to get it on there properly. And almost all of it comes out, and you can see the little bubbles, and they're moving and they're working, and you want to squeeze it and get it to the edge, okay? And you want to move it back and forth. And eventually all those bubbles will work themselves off to the side, all right? And you can take the alignment bar off, that will help. And you just kind of keep working this until you can get the bubble squeezed out to the edge, and it will be perfect. And you'll get those off. And it just takes a minute. And so there you go. I'm going to keep working on this. But that's basically how you would do it. Your screen is now protected once you get all the bubbles out, and you are ready to rock and roll. And of course, it will fit back into the case it came into, and you are all ready to go. So I hope that was helpful for you. Great screen, nice and fitting for the iPhone 16 Pro.